Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into download mode. So to get started, turn it off. Now the device is off. You want to hold the volume up and volume down and then plug it in. Now you will need a cable for this that is plugged into your computer. And as you can see, it boots us into almost a download mode. We just need to press volume up once and there we are. So that is how you'd enter the download mode, and to leave it, hold power key and volume down at the same time till the screen turns off. So I'm going to do that right now. Now the device will boot up again and go back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.